everyone. Often we get into the unhelpful habit of thinking that dividing by 9 is difficult. If you know the 9 times table, dividing by 9 is simple. And if you've done the lesson on multiplying by 9, you'll know the powerful strategy that makes it so easy. Let's go and see how we can use the 9 times table to help us to divide by 9. Just like we've done for a few of our previous sets of tables, we're going to start off by looking at a few of the 9 times table sums just to remind ourselves how division and multiplication are actually linked. So if we look at this first one, 1 times 9 equals 9. We know that division is the inverse or opposite of multiplication. So if we go the other way, we'll work out our division. 9 divided by 9 is equal to 1. 2 times 9 equals 18. The inverse would be 18 divided by 9 equals 2. And 3 times 9 is 27. The inverse would be 27 divided by 9 is equal to 3. Now this is so useful to know so that when we get division sums to work out, we can turn them around into multiplication to make it a little bit easier for us. Let's go and look at a few examples. Now for all of these 3 division sums, we're going to swap them around into multiplication. So for this first one, we're going to say what times 9 equals 45. For the next one, what times 9 equals 81. And this last one, what times 9 equals 36. Now, if you know your 9 times table, you'll know the answer straight away. This first one is 5. Then the second one is 9 times 9 is 81. And the last one is 4 times 9 equals equal to 36. Now, if you've done the times 9 video, you'll know that there's a quick way to work out your 9 times table, so you can use that to check your answers. For example, if we look at 5 times 9, we know that we work that out by going 50 minus 5, which we know is 45, so that's correct. This next one, 9 times 9, we would say 90 minus 9, which we know is 81, so that's correct. And this last one, 4 times 9, we would work out by going 40 minus 4, which is 36, so we know our answer is correct. If you don't know what I'm doing here in this column, then do yourself a favor and go and work through the times 9 video. It's a great tool to have when multiplying by 9. Okay, it's time for you to try a set of these yourself. There's a full set of divide by 9 here for you to try. Just remember, this I think column is actually what's happening in your head. If you're still not comfortable flipping the sums around into multiplication in your head, then write this part down until it becomes easy to do in your head. And then there's a check column over here for you to check your answers. It's always a good idea to check if you can. What you're going to do now, you're going to pause the video, write your answers, and then come back to the lesson to see if you got them correct. Let's check your answers. After that exercise, you'll know if you know your 9 times table or not. If not, keep practicing it until you do. The divide by 9 exercises will get so much easier if you know your 9 times table well. Once you've practiced dividing by 9 enough to feel confident with the skill, move on to the next set of tables that you'd like to tackle. I'll see you there. This lesson comes from the Tables Training That Packs a Punch series. The full series with practice exercises and bonuses is available from aligerous.online. Click the link in the description below.